Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can draw curved lines or connectors in your documents and spreadsheets on Google Sheets. For example, to connect components or areas of your document. So let us get started. So what you want to do, guys, is navigate to your document, sorry, and then click into Insert here, navigate to the drawing tool. Next, you may, for example, use the hand draw tool by clicking into this select line here, drop down menu and choose the hand drawing tool here, and then draw a curved line like this if you like. So you can do that, but I'm not going to do this. I'm going to use the curved connector from that menu, or you can go for curved line, that's up to you. So if you use a curved connector, set the start point. And then, guys, you may customize, for example, the appearance by using these nodes here, make it longer, or the curving, for example, adjust it here, right? So that it looks like this. Or you can add also a curved line like this. Set a start point, left click like this, right? So once you're ready, guys, what you want to do is click into Save and Close. And that is going to add the drawing to the cell here. Now, of course, you can click into the line and, let's say, for example, resize the curved line and, I don't know, to connect, let's say, for instance, these two elements here, that list or that link here with that graph for the sake of this tutorial, right? So if the line or the shape snaps to those grids in the background, yeah, you may see that by these red lines here for orientation, right? So as you can see, it snaps to the graph here. That's how you can connect, for example, different areas or parts of your document, guys, visually. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.